Hello everyone, welcome back to rkphysicsshiksha. In this video, let us discuss a question from thermodynamics which was asked in NEET. So in this question, what we are provided is there is a gas which is taken through a cyclic process from A to B, B to C and C to A as shown here in this graph, PV graph. And they're asking us to calculate what is the net work done by the gases. What is the net work done by the gas? So in a cyclic process, the net work done or the total work done will be equal to the area of the cycle ABC or the area enclosed by this loop. And this work done will be positive if the cycle is clockwise, and it will be negative it will be if it is anti-clockwise. So first we'll calculate the work done. That work done W is equal to, and we are is equal to area of the cycle, ABCA, which is a triangle, which is actually a triangle, and we are supposed to calculate the area of this triangle. And now that will be equal to work done W is equal to, we get it as half into base into height. So half into the base is here, if you look at the graph, this will go 7 minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So it will be 7 minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 multiplied by the height, which is, if you look at this graph, it will coincide with 6 here and 2 here. So that will be, height will be 6 minus 2 into, we have the multiplier also here given in terms of 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. So it will be 10 to the power of 5. So this is minus. Now simplifying this, the work done will be equal to half into 7 minus 2 is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 4 into 10 to the power of 5. So simplifying this, 2 ones, 2 2s are 4. That gives me the work done W is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 into 10 to the power of 6, because 2 into 5 will give me 5 to the 10, so 10 to the power of here, so it will become total 10 to the power of 6, and that is equal to 10 to the power of 3 joules, where I can write it as work done W is equal to 1000 joules. This is the work done. This work done is positive because it is to be taken positive because it is clockwise cyclic process. If it was a anti-clockwise cyclic process, then we have to take it as negative of 1000 joules, but it is a clockwise cyclic process, so the work done here will be positive, and the correct option would be the fourth option, D. Option D would be correct. Hope you understood. For more such videos, please do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel.